it's me, Tiger Tate, and today I'm going to be doing a Sky High video just for the fun of it, except I'm going to make it really long. I'm going to do probably like 2. Okay.
Pay attention to me, animals, yeah.
Thank you. So, yeah. Can you buddy me? Okay.
Space Daddy.
Oh my gosh.
Party mode.
Okay, so, thanks, I guess. Sure. Oh my gosh, I love your username. That is so awesome. Alright, so yeah. Then I got popcorn. And it tastes good. I'm eating popcorn during. No, this is a bad time to do Sky High because I'm eating popcorn. At least I can use one arm with Okay, so if you guys saw my buddy contest so far, Claw Kitty is in the lead, but guys, please don't comment like, oh, I'm a YouTube star. Well, actually you can like, you're allowed to do that, but if you're gonna comment, please comment who you think's gonna win, because please do, because you can pick 2 people, but not all of them, but you can pick 2 or 3 to the flag. So yeah. And oh my gosh, my kitty is sleeping through all this noise. She's all sitting. She's so tiny she can literally sit on the windowsill, and she fell asleep on there. She is so energetic that she fell asleep on the windowsill. Whoa. What? Oh, Ninja. That's what Julie too did, on one of his videos. It was funny. I just like that idea. I'll just do, I thought it was really cool. But, yeah. If you guys have any ideas for, trolling, or, you know, or like any new series I should do, I was thinking of doing probably Orange. I'll probably get the full version of, as you know, Screencast-O-Matic. I don't know, but make music videos, but it'd be fun. And I'm sorry. I just tasted a really bad piece of popcorn, and it doesn't taste good. Go again. I'm getting such bad popcorn pieces, and I'm just hungry. But no. What? How am I supposed to do? No. I'm glad the game just glitched right there, because I could have killed myself, literally. If I die right now, I'm gonna like scream. I'm gonna run out the door screaming. No. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me, but yep. I almost fell. If we had a face cam right now, I wish I could get it to work, but I'd be shy. No. Let's have a moment of silence and scream no. Oh no. I'm gonna bang my head on the table. I'm so sad. No. Kitty, wake up. Say no with me. Kitty, okay. Oh man, if we had a face cam right now, you guys be like, why is she making that face? At least my popcorn's cheering me up. Popcorn, help me, don't taste bad. No. This is hard eating popcorn at the same time. It could be a sky high. Whoa. It could be a sky high video. I'm sky there. Oh. Ah! What? Whoop. Oh. A few seconds ago, exactly 6 minutes. Woo! That's awesome. I'm just stocking up, not even my fingers on the keyboard. Okay. Ah, popcorn. Don't fail me now. No. Poo. Popcorn. Nah. I'm not even gonna call this sky high. I'm gonna call this tape fails. Huh. Popcorn. Why does the taste so bad? No, I grabbed the popcorn. I'm just staring at my cat right now, wondering, why? This popcorn is so good. No, popcorn don't fit. My hand is You guys are probably wondering right now, what is Tiger Kate doing? Well, that popcorn got back. Well, a few days ago, I got a mood ring, and I have it on right now. So every time I put my hands on the keyboard, it makes a loud noise. Sometimes I can't even feel it's on. It makes a loud noise and it scares my cat. And I totally forget that it's on. So I slam my hands in it. Scares her. Popcorn. Sky High Challenge. Popcorn. Why do you have to be so good? That's gonna be the title of my video. Yeah, you guys are probably gonna read by the title. She's going crazy or something. Yeah. I just went to school today, and I'm so tired, so I didn't. Bad popcorn! Oh, I was about to eat it, then I looked down at it, and the whole thing was like black. And so, scratch my hand. So yeah. No. Today we have to do a several test, and we have to do a test at the end of the year. It's like a whole state thing, and you're not allowed to go into the next grade unless you pass it. So it's like it's called the FCAT. Oh gosh, I had that glitch thing where if you hold down the key too long. A lot of people have it when they go play Sky High. If you hold down the key too long, it keeps moving until you tap it again. I hate when that happens. Woo. So that's why I let go in the middle of my jumps. Sometimes if you notice. Popcorn, when you don't have to do that, I swear, if I win, I'm gonna scream. Probably gonna start doing math time and starting to get middle in the morning, in the afternoon a lot. I don't know why it's in the afternoon. It's always when oh gross. Oh, 100 gems, exactly. No. let it all out. Okay. Just try one more time. Popcorn. Ah! Why? That should be okay. Oh, no, wait, sorry. No, I was not looking. Popcorn. Why are you so addictive? Boop. Ah, I couldn't tell if that was a good tasting popcorn or a bad tasting popcorn. Ah, no. Wait, was that corporate base YOLO sent me? Beta? I don't know. I'm so confused. If it was, thanks so much. Ah! Flip. I should make a video where I have like, I don't know. I'm having a brain fart. Oh. Phantom, sometimes you mock me. Ah! Oh gosh, I was about to eat a bad tasting popcorn. That was close. Oh.
Hey, that's my popcorn.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not yours. I forgot.
Hi, no.
Hi guys, I'm Love Baby 33.
Tillman, I think we know that.
Well, maybe people don't.
We all know that, Tillman. I'm sorry, my sister.
Little sister.
Tillman, again. Ah, no! Ninja!
But a crowd was there, and you still lived.
Popcorn is so distracting.
Hey, if
What?
you get a prize up there, give it to me, because it's probably something I want.
Tillman, I'm not going to give the prize to you.
Yeah.
Unless it's something bad. Or I want to recycle it for money. I always keep prizes so I can recycle it. That's what I was doing. I'm just like, oh, who cares? I got a bunch of betas from the game. I got a Jolly Elf hat, a wreath necklace.
You know why I wanted the Phantom, the huge Phantom? Because I wanted to trade somebody, but no, because I love him.
Yep.
It's so cute.
I am going to do a video where I do, and this may pause randomly, but I'm going to have to probably pause it in a second, just because we're almost at the very top. Phantom! Okay, that was a close one. Someone, will you scroll my mouse over to that pause button and click it? Yeah. Hold on, Yoli. Someone just do it. Quick. Please. Over to the pause button.
I'm trying to. I can't.
Oh my gosh. Just do it. Oh, this is hard. I'm almost to the top. Hold on 1 second, guys. Click. Oh, ow. So I died. I was this high up because of my sister. Well, I just made her go out of the room because I was so sad. But at least the popcorn can cheer me up. Well, I was probably going to get the best prize ever, but you know what? I'm sad. So yeah, that's all I want to say. Bye.